Hi, I'm Nick Smith. I started Dura Guard Paver Sealing shortly after completing my military service and combat deployment to Iraq in 2011. Since then, we have grown Dura Guard to be the largest brick paver cleaning and sealing company in the United States. With over 3,200 successful projects completed each year, nobody has the Monday through Friday, day-to-day experience we bring to the table.
From the initial contact with the Dura Guard, our friendly office staff is standing by to answer your questions. 99% of our quotes are accurately given based off of a satellite imagery program, which allows us to get exact measurements of your brick paver areas to be serviced. We can even see 30 feet up underneath overhangs. Quotes can usually be sent within just a couple of hours from initial contact. And of course, upon request, we can always come out and provide an in-person quote. The first step of our process is the pressure cleaning portion. We use custom-built, truck-mounted commercial pressure washers capable of blasting 230 Fahrenheit hot water at 3,500 psi, pushing an impressive volume of 8 gallons of water per minute on all 12 trucks in our fleet. Using self-contained rotary surface cleaners, we can get an even and thorough cleaning without the mess of sand, mold, and mud flying all around your home and into your pool. While working around pool areas, we deploy a self-contained robot vacuum cleaner that continuously cleans the pool bottom while we're working, removing any debris from the pool bottom into its onboard collection basket. Next, we apply our proprietary weed and mold inhibitor that Dura Guard hired a chemist to produce exclusively for us. Simply pressure cleaning the mold off the tops of the pavers does not kill it. The microscopic mold spores below the joints will only return weeks or months later. We are the only company using a product like this. Next is the sanding portion. We use a special 4-grain, kiln-dried silica sand to stabilize the joints. This is not children's play sand that holds mold and mildew. Once hardened, it forms a consistency comparable to concrete, resisting weed and plant growth. We hydrocompact the sand with a special wet sand nozzle that pulls and fills the joints to the bottom of the pavers. Finally, we can begin the sealing portion. We apply 3 coats of Uraseal H2O on every job we do. Uraseal is the very best one-day process urethane-based sealant specifically designed for Florida's subtropical, moist, and humid climate. On the 3rd coat, we apply a non-skid additive called Shark Grip. Pavers will become very slippery when wet after sealing if not treated correctly. Shark Grip does not change the color or the shine of the pavers, just leave behind a very light textured surface. Our unique process usually lasts between 5 to 7 years and is backed by our incredible 3-year warranty.
As always, we really appreciate your support of our small, local, veteran-owned and operated business. If we can do anything further to assist you, please reach out and we'd be happy to help.